Ah, this is the problem, right? Now Hamza, see, can we remove this both side wheels? Sure, 100%. Okay, and we will learn on 2 wheels only. So shall we remove? Shall we remove? Okay. Okay, guys, let's. This is the time to remove 2 side wheels of this bike. So in order to remove this one, we need a spinner set. Okay, here we need 15 mm, and we need another. I think this one is the 14th one. Yes, this is the 14th one. Yes, 14. So let's start. Hamza, where are you? Okay, so in order to remove this one, okay, so we have to first open this one. Now the other side, you will help Baba. You know how to remove. Now you have to make like this. Yalla. Yes, keep going, keep going. Very good. Hamza is started learning right now, mashallah. Okay, keep going. Yeah, it's loose already. Now you take off the spinner and you can use your hand. Yes. Okay, we can keep this one aside. Now only one thing, this is the seat screw we have to lose in order to make this shelf little bit free. So we have to change the spinner to the 14 mm. Okay. Yeah, it's loose only, no need to take it out. It's okay, fine. Now you have removed it, it's fine, but it doesn't need to be take it out. Okay, now these things just keep it aside so it will not be mess up. So just put this down. Okay, gently we will remove this one. You can bring it this side little bit. Okay, be careful from your hands not to hurt. So this wheel is out. Okay, now this one is returned back. And yes, the second thing, I have to reduce the height also. So this one is up in the hole, so like this much of, I think maybe 1 inch, 1.5 inch, or maybe 2 inch. The height is more up, so I have to reduce for thinking. Okay, so now why we reduce this one? Because why we open this one, we have to bring in order to just bring it down. So yeah, this one I will bring the other side also to be. So yes, remove this one and remove this one. So the both side has been removed. Okay, now automatically this one. Okay, this first one, then we have to make it this one, correct? Now I will turn to the other side. Okay, so now Hamza, this one I forgot to put it because we will lose it for the next time. So this is out. This one we have to return it back. Yes. So this is down. This is and this is okay. Now we have the bolts. We have to return back to the 15. Okay. Same thing we are going to do on this side as well. So Now this is for you. What you will do, you will play with this one separately. We can do something with this one, right? Now only the rest of the things remain with on the seat level. So we have to bring it still down. Right? No. So done. But I have to change. Yeah, it's very easy. You have to remove like this. There's a clip over here, the springboard. Yeah, Lamba. Come on. Yes. Sit first. Yes. Wow. Yes, now that you can hold it. Yes, very good. Push it up. Yalla, you can do it. Right? What's your name? What's your name?
Rodney.
You finish your food first from the mouth, okay? Then I will come back to you. Yalla, Hamza. Mr. Hamza. Yes, just rotate and follow me. Yes, come on. Yes, make it balance. It's okay, just push it up. Slowly, rotate the bike. You can still rotate it by your feet only, while touching on the floor. See, look at her. Did you see? Yalla, I know that this is much more better. It's smaller than you. Then we will buy a bike for you as per your height. Come. Hamza. Yalla, Fadal, man. Okay. Yes, come on. It's okay, you will not fall down. You are not going to fall down. Because you can, yes. You can do it. Yes. Yeah, very good. Yes. Keep doing it. You have to keep one step. I don't have here big bag, otherwise I will teach you. Hamza, yalla, Habibi, quickly. You can do it. Yes. Little bit of more up. Yes. The pedal on your left hand side. Where is your left or right? Which one is convenient for you? Okay. Which one is good for you to rotate the first step? Yes. Here. I will teach you here. Wait. Now, put your step. This one here. That put it down. That put down. Yes. And keep your balance on the left hand side. When you are pushing the pedal on the right, vice versa. Okay. You know, it's a fun. When you will come to know how to ride, it's a fun. Right? Yes, it's a fun, right? After when you will learn. If you want to keep it, hair strength is more. You can bring it on the hard surface. Even though this is fine. See, you can hold. Can I have your bike this one? No, I want to try this one. Yes, I want to try. See, Hamza, look. Hold this one. Yes, see, Hamza, look. It's very easy. See. But this one is very small for me. Look. This is your first position. This is your right hand feet because you are right-handed, right? This is left. So, look at me. The bicycle will not fall down because you are giving this support. Now, see, I am putting the pressure here. Look at me.
There.
See?
Look right there.
Yeah, look here. Now, can you give me this little bit? See, now you put the pressure. Keep this one. Look. See. my God, there is no brakes. Thank you. What's your name? Mikhail. Thank you, Mikhail. Yalla Hamza, now it's your turn now. Yes, you must teach him, give him the sport because he doesn't know. See Hamza, look. See, it's a fun. You don't have interest that you will be balanced. See, it's a challenging task for you, but you can do it. Okay, just relax, focus, concentrate. Yes. Then yeah, when you are stepping this one, keep balance your body weight on this side. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Just give me a smile. Why you are super sad, nervous? See, Hamza, hold this one now. Give me this one, I will try you. Come in front of me here. Hold this one, camera, hold it. Okay. Okay, let me try. Oh my God, this is too much. Oh, so small for me. Maybe I will broke this bike. No, it's not good. Yes. See, look. And your name now again? Rudne, yalla. Okay, see, look, Hamza. What he did? You notice that? What he did? He pushed from the left feet and rotate the bike. Yes, give her chance also. Give her chance. Mikhail, right? Give to Mikhail.